Earlier this year, history sheeter Zenito Cardozo had to approach the Panji Sessions Court seeking anticipatory bail in Kalangut Police Crime Number 7 by 2019 for trespassing, damaging property, and dacoity in a hotel at Kalangut more than a year back on 7th of January 2019. The court, in its order dated 6th March, granted anticipatory bail to Cardozo over personal bail bond of Rs 25,000 and a surety of similar amount. On the intervening night of June 1920 this year, house of one Imran Bepari at Santa Cruz was attacked by a gang led by Marcelino Diaz, which was captured by CCTV footage. Next morning, before Imran Bepari could register his complaint, GMC informed Old Goa police that one person named Sonu Yadav had died due to bullet injury. Later, it was found that Sonu Yadav was a member of the gang who had attacked the house of Imran Bepari. Old Goa police registered two separate FIRs, one for attempting to murder Imran Bepari and another for murdering Sonu Yadav, and arrested and detained a total of 26 accused, including accused Marcelino Diaz and some minor gang members. But some arrested accused recorded statement that the attack on Imran Bepari was conspired by Zenito Cardozo. Old Goa police on June 28 onwards started searching for Zenito Cardozo in the case, but Cardozo was untraceable. Panji police on July 4 registered an FIR against Zenito Cardozo and 4 co-accused for abducting and threatening a Tonka Karanzale resident, Gaurav Krishna Naik. According to Panji police, Cardozo and other accused people on June 22nd abducted the complainant, Gaurav, from his residence and took him forcefully to Dona Paula, confined in a car, and pressurized him to convince his family to sign a sale deed agreement of a family property. After registering the FIR, Panji police also started searching for Zenito Cardozo, but Zenito remained untraceable. In the mission of Old Goa police and Panji police to search for Cardozo, Kalangut police also joined in the manhunt in an year-old case registered as crime number 212 by 2019 for committing the offence of extortion, criminal intimidation and insulting the complainant on November 11th of 2019. But Zenito continued to remain untraceable. Zenito Cardozo's anticipatory bail in Santa Cruz Imran Bepari attempt to murder case was rejected by the Panji Sessions Court on July 31st. Then Zenito filed the anticipatory bail before the High Court. Meanwhile, the North Goa police has been widely criticized for failing to arrest Zenito even after a search of more than a month. The High Court has yet to decide his anticipatory bail application. But on August 12, Zenito, in a dramatic manner, reached police headquarters at Panji and surrendered before the SDPO of Old Goa. Old Goa police then took him into custody and produced him before the court. As per the court's order, Zenito remained in police custody of Old Goa police for 7 days, and then the court ordered to lodge him into the jail under judicial custody. From the judicial custody, Panji police got custody of Zenito Cardozo for 4 days on August 21st for investigation in Gaurav Naik abduction case. But the Panji Sessions Court on August 24th granted Zenito bail in the case. Lodged back into the jail in Imran Bepari attempt to murder case as per the court's order, Zenito continues to remain in jail. Zenito on September 7th got anticipatory bail in Kalangut crime number 212 by 2019 with an order to appear before the investigating officer for 3 days for the purpose of investigation. Finally, on September 9th, the Panji Sessions Court also granted regular conditional bail to Zenito, which paved the way for him to come out of jail. Though the Old Goa police have filed a charge sheet against Zenito in the attempt to murder case, charging him for conspiring the attack, Old Goa police are more likely to file an additional charge sheet against Cardozo in the coming days. Panji police and Kalangut police are also preparing separate charge sheets against him in their respective cases.